President Donald Trump ignited a firestorm of reactions across social media platforms yesterday after posting an image of himself digitally altered to appear as the Pope, complete with papal vestments and a mitre. The image was posted on the Truth Social account of the president and posted on the White House account on X with millions of views, prompting a polarized mix of amusement, support, and outrage. The image in the X post from the White House account is an AI-generated depiction of Donald Trump dressed as a pope. He is seated on an ornate golden throne, wearing traditional papal attire, including a white cassock, a pectoral cross hanging from his neck, and a white mozzetta, a short cape, over his shoulders. On his head is a mitre, the tall, pointed liturgical headdress worn by popes, adorned with gold embroidery. Trump is holding up his right hand with two fingers extended in a gesture often associated with a papal blessing, while his left hand rests on the arm of the throne. The background appears to be a dark, richly decorated setting, possibly resembling a cathedral or papal chamber, enhancing the regal and religious tone of the image. The overall composition mimics the style of official papal portraits but with Trump's face superimposed, creating a satirical and surreal effect. Political analysts suggest the post may be an attempt to appeal to religious voters or to provoke discussion ahead of rumored political maneuvers. Trump has not commented further on the post, leaving supporters and critics to interpret its intent. Trump's base has largely celebrated the post as a humorous and audacious statement. On X, users praised the former president's creativity and confidence. "This is why we love Trump. He's not afraid to shake things up and have fun while doing it," wrote at MAGAPatriot 2024, whose post received thousands of likes. However, the post has drawn sharp criticism from religious leaders, political opponents, and social media users who view it as blasphemous or disrespectful. The Catholic Bishops' Conference issued a statement calling the image inappropriate and offensive, urging public figures to respect sacred symbols and institutions. Progressive commentators on X labeled the post as narcissistic, with one user, @BlueWayVoter, writing, "Trump comparing himself to the Pope is peak ego. It's an insult to Catholics and anyone with decency." Some Catholic voters expressed discomfort, particularly in light of Pope Francis' calls for humility and unity. "This isn't funny. It's mocking a faith millions hold dear," posted at FaithfulThem, a self-identified Catholic Democrat. Others accused Trump of trivializing the papacy for political gain, with one X post stating, "He'll do anything for attention, even if it means disrespecting a 2,000-year-old institution." As of this morning, Trump has neither deleted nor addressed the post, which continues to drive engagement. Whether the move will bolster his base or cost him support remains to be seen, but it has undeniably kept him at the center of public discourse.